So now we are going to begin our experiments on sound. We are going to begin with a very basic experiment. You must have seen this often. Yes, we are going to use 2 cups, 2 paper cups and some thread. Shall we begin our experiment? I will begin by making a hole at the bottom of these 2 cups. You can use your pen so you have to make a hole at the bottom of these 2 cups. The hole should be big enough for the thread to pass through. Now I am going to push the thread through these holes. I am pushing it through the first cup and I am making a knot here so that it doesn't go out of the cup. So you can make many knots depending on the size of the hole that you made. Now I have made the knot big enough so that the thread doesn't come out of the cup. I will repeat the same in the next cup. So you need to push the thread into the hole and make a knot. So now the cups are ready. You can try this along with a friend. When you speak at the end of one cup, your friend will be able to hear it in the other cup. You need to place this cup next to your ears, and when your friend speaks through one cup, you will be able to hear it at the end of the other cup. Why does this happen? This is because the sound created by your friend travels through the air in between and reaches the other cup. So sound travels in waves and sound needs an air medium to propagate.